The 2026 Hyundai Palisade Calligraphy has officially arrived, and it isn't just a minor update. It is a complete reinvention of what a flagship family SUV can be. This year, Hyundai has pivoted toward a boxy chic aesthetic, trading the soft curves of the past for a commanding, architectural presence that demands attention. The calligraphy trim remains the pinnacle of the lineup, designed for the family that wants the prestige and features of a high-end European luxury brand without the six-figure price tag. It's a vehicle that feels as much like an executive boardroom as it does a comfortable family hauler, striking a perfect balance between bold design and practical luxury. Visually, the 2026 Palisade looks like it belongs in a much higher price bracket. The front end is dominated by a massive, vertically oriented grille with a premium jewel finish that is exclusive to the calligraphy trim. The lighting signature is perhaps the most striking feature, utilizing a series of vertically stacked LED pixel lamps that give the car a high-tech, futuristic gaze. Along the side, the sharp, upright silhouette is complemented by massive 21-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels with a liquid metal finish. Every detail, from the flush-mounted windows to the satin chrome accents, has been meticulously crafted to create a sense of urban luxury that looks stunning under city lights. Inside the calligraphy, the experience is nothing short of first class. The cabin is wrapped in ultra-premium quilted Napa leather, and for the 2026 model, Hyundai has introduced a new Dinamica suede headliner that adds an extra layer of tactile luxury. The center stage is taken by a massive panoramic curved display that seamlessly integrates the digital instrument cluster and the infotainment system. Second-row passengers are treated like VIPs with power-adjustable wing-out headrests, heating, and ventilation in the captain's chairs. Whether you're the driver enjoying the ergo-motion massage seat or a passenger in the back, the acoustic laminated glass and enhanced sound insulation ensure that the world outside stays outside. Under the hood, the 2026 Palisade introduces a game-changing 2.5-liter turbo hybrid system, offering a smooth and punchy driving experience while significantly cutting down on fuel stops. For those who prefer traditional power, the refined 3.5-liter V6 remains a powerhouse for highway cruising and towing. Tech-wise, the Palisade is a mobile fortress. The remote Smart Parking Assist 2.0 allows you to move the car into tight spaces from outside the vehicle, while the digital key to premium lets you leave your keys at home and use your smartphone instead. Combined with Highway Driving Assist 2, this SUV doesn't just transport your family. It actively works to keep them safe and relaxed on every journey. In conclusion, the 2026 Hyundai Palisade Calligraphy is more than just an SUV. It's a statement of intent. It proves that you don't need to spend luxury brand money to get a luxury brand experience. With its bold new design, world-class interior, and efficient hybrid performance, it has set a new benchmark for the three-row SUV segment. If you're looking for the ultimate combination of style, technology, and family comfort, the search likely ends here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you in the next one. So, after spending time with the 2026 Hyundai Palisade Calligraphy, one thing is crystal clear. Hyundai is no longer just trying to fit in. They are here to take over the luxury segment. This isn't just a car for getting the kids to school or running errands, it's a statement. It's for the driver who appreciates architectural design, the latest in hybrid efficiency, and an interior that feels like a private jet for the road. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Palisade, please give this video a thumbs up, it really helps the channel grow. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. We have a lot more 2026 model reviews coming your way, including head-to-head comparisons you won't want to miss.